Alright, let's be real. If you just dropped a month's rent on the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, you're not letting it ride around naked. Foldables are fragile and the wrong case can turn your premium phone into a clunky regret. So today, I'm testing the best cases of 2025. Let's fold into it. First up, ThinBorne. I popped this on the Pixel 10 Fold and honestly, it feels like the phone's wearing nothing. It's stupidly thin, like thinner than a SIM card tray. But it's not flimsy. That aramid fiber has this dry, grippy texture, almost like matte carbon, but without the fingerprint drama. It's magnetic too, so it snaps onto Pixel Snap mounts and Qi 2 chargers without fuss. No hinge protection though, so if you're clumsy, maybe skip this. But if you want that barely their feel with premium vibes, ThinBorne nails it. Nails. JIAWEIG full body flip case. This one's a tank. I mean, I dropped the phone from waist height on purpose, and it just bounced. Built-in screen protector, hinge armor, wrist strap, kickstand. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cases. The hinge cover folds smoothly, no weird resistance. It's bulky, yeah. But if you're traveling or just paranoid about drops, this is the one. It turns your fold into a rugged slab, and I kinda love that. Just don't expect it to fit in skinny jeans. Spigen's always solid, and this mag fit version is no exception. It's got that signature hinge spine that flexes with the fold. Feels secure, not stiff. The magnets are strong enough to hold on while the Pixel Snap car mount, and it doesn't interfere with wireless charging. The buttons are tactile, the cutouts are precise, and it doesn't add too much bulk. If you're building a magnetic setup, desk stand, car mount, whatever, this case plays nice. Plus, it looks clean. No weird textures or overbranding. Torro Premium leather wallet case. Okay, this one's for the classy crowd. Real leather smells like a new wallet. It wraps around the fold like a book, with card slots and a stand feature that actually works. No floppy nonsense. The stitching is tight, and the magnetic clasp keeps it shut without slamming. It's not for drop protection, but it's perfect if you want to ditch your wallet and carry just the essentials. I used it for a day, and it felt like I was holding a leather-bound journal. Stylish, but definitely not rugged. Casetify's clear case is simple but solid. It's got reinforced corners, doesn't yellow after a few days, I tested it under sunlight, and it shows off the fold's design nicely. No hinge protection though, and the grip is decent, not amazing. It's more of a look at my phone case than a protect my phone case. But for casual use, it's fine. I'd pair it with a screen protector and call it a day. So there you have it, 5 cases, 1 foldable, and 0 excuses to go caseless. Whether you want stealthy, stylish, or straight up indestructible, there's something here that fits. Drop a comment with your pick, or tell me which case you want to see tortured in the next video. And if you're still rocking a Pixel 9 Fold, maybe it's time to upgrade. Hit like sub if you're into honest tech reviews, and check out the description for best deals.